friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It is a cold, blustery 20 degrees in New York City. What better way to spend the afternoon than to make a warm, soul-stirring stew that's of Caribbean and Southern influence. We have already pre-cooked a pack of chicken thighs and a pack of chicken legs. The chicken has been seasoned with a tablespoon of coriander, a tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of turmeric at a low setting in this crock pot for 3 hours. It is 80% cooked. We don't want to fully cook it because we have to have the other ingredients which have been pre-cooked to cook along with it. We have a cup of black beans, which is of Caribbean influence. We have a cup of pre-cooked collard greens, which is of Southern influence, as well as the sweet potato, which has been pre-cooked and has been cut into chunks. We have 4 scallions. Each end was cut off and it was diced. We have a tablespoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, and pre-cooked diced tomatoes. So I'm going to incorporate all of these contents to give a nice flavor and a nice flair to this Southern Caribbean stew. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm now going to put the pre-cooked chicken inside of the crock pot. The crock pot already has some chicken broth inside. It's 16 ounces of chicken broth as well as a cup of water. And that's what we use to pre-cook the chicken, and we're going to continue to use it to cook everything. Let's dunk these inside. They're pretty tender, so I'm going to try to be as gentle as possible as I pick them up. Okay, so now we're going to proceed with the remaining ingredients. Okay, we have the black beans, a cup. The collard greens. The chunks of wonderful bright sweet potatoes, full of antioxidants and nutrients. The scallions. The curry powder, which will give a nice Caribbean flair. Turmeric, which also is an antioxidant powerhouse. The black pepper, which also is a great seasoning. You can't go wrong with black pepper. And the tomatoes, which will serve as a nice base with the broth. I currently have the crock pot at a warm setting as we were waiting to put all the contents inside. However, now since we're going to resume cooking, we're going to put it at a low heat setting. And we'll be back once everything is fully cooked. We're back and the stew has fully cooked, and now we're going to give it a taste test. This is the finished product. The meat is very tender and you can see all of the ingredients nicely commingled. And let's scoop it out. The meat is falling off the bone, very tender. Okay, so this is the stew. It's very, very hearty. It's full of a lot of great healthy ingredients, packed with protein via the black beans and the chicken. And I love sweet potatoes, so it's nice to have that in the stew as well. A good source of vitamin A. And I highly recommend it, especially during this winter period where it's very cold outside. You want to eat something that's going to warm your body and keep you satiated. So we look forward to hearing back from you in the comments. Tell us if you plan to try it and if you recommend any particular ingredients to include in a stew. And we'll see you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until later.